Hey everyone, welcome back to Review Guy. If you work with PDFs even a little bit, you've probably dealt with the same annoying situation. The pages are out of order, you need to remove a few, you need to split one file into separate documents, and then of course, someone sends you a second PDF and says, "Can you merge this too?" So today I'm going to show you a fast workflow for reordering pages, splitting PDFs, and merging PDFs using UPDF, and the goal is simple. No messy workarounds, no exporting 10 different times, just a clean thumbnail view workflow that's quick. If you want to follow along on your own files, click the UPDF link in the description to download it from the official page. So UPDF is basically an all-in-one PDF editor. You can read PDFs, annotate, edit, convert, OCR, all that stuff. But today we're focusing only on page management, because this is one of those things you either do in 20 seconds or you waste 20 minutes fighting with it. All right, before we start the workflow, super quick. Here's how to download and install UPDF. Click the link in the description. That takes you to the download page. Download the installer for your system, Windows or Mac. On Windows, you open the installer, click Install, and launch. On Mac, you open the downloaded file and install UPDF to your applications like a normal Mac app. That's it. You'll be in the app in under a minute. Also, quick note that's genuinely useful if you work across devices. One UPDF account can be used on up to 4 devices at the same time, typically 2 desktops and 2 mobile devices. So you can be on your main computer, a second laptop, plus your phone and tablet, without constantly logging in and out. Just wanted to mention that up front because a lot of PDF tools make this painful. All right, let's get into the workflow. The fastest thing about UPDF is that you don't need to go hunting for a special page organizer. As soon as you open a PDF, you'll usually see thumbnails on the left, basically a visual list of all your pages. If you don't see it for any reason, just click the thumbnails icon on the left sidebar and it pops right back up. Now to reorder pages, it's as simple as it should be. Click a page thumbnail on the left and drag it to the position you want. So if page 7 needs to become page 3, just drag it up and drop it where it belongs. Reality check. If you're working on something important, I'd save a copy first, just so you always have the original untouched. For longer PDFs, the thumbnail panel is also the fastest way to navigate. You can jump to the exact page instantly, then drag pages around without scrolling through the document itself. And if you need to move more than one page, you can select multiple thumbnails and handle them together, which saves a lot of time on bigger files. Now let's talk about splitting, because people confuse split and extract, and they're not the same thing. To access the split and extract tool, click on Tools, then click on More. Split means automatically breaks one PDF into multiple PDFs. Split is what you use when you want the software to automatically create multiple PDFs for you. For example, split every 10 pages, split by file size, split by bookmarks, or do a custom split. So in UPDF, you click Split, and then choose your split method. Example 1, split by number of pages. If you enter 10 pages, it'll generate multiple smaller PDFs, each with 10 pages. Example 2, split by bookmarks. This is amazing when your PDF already has sections with bookmarks, like chapters, invoices, or reports, because it can split each section into its own PDF automatically. If you want to try these exact steps while I'm doing it, again, the UPDF link is in the description. Extract means pulling out selected pages. You choose exactly what comes out. Now, extract is different. Extract is when you say, I want pages 4 to 6 only, and you pull them out as a new PDF. So you select the pages you want, click Extract, and UPDF creates a new file using just those pages. This is perfect if you're cleaning a document, like pulling out just the signature page, extracting a specific chapter, or grabbing a few pages to send to someone. And there's usually an option like, do you also want to remove these pages from the original after extraction? So you can choose extract only, or extract and clean the original at the same time. Now let's merge PDFs. And there are 2 fast workflows, depending on what you're trying to do. Method A, combine. Best when merging multiple files. If you have multiple PDFs and you want to combine them into one clean file, the best workflow is combine. You add your PDFs, drag them into the correct order, hit apply, save, done. This is the fastest method when you're working with multiple separate files. Method B, insert pages, best when you're adding pages into a master PDF. Now, if you already have one main PDF open and you just want to insert pages from another PDF into it, use insert. So you're in organize pages, you choose insert from file, select the other PDF, choose what pages you want, and decide where they go. Example, insert an appendix after page 2. That's a huge time saver because you're not merging everything blindly. You're inserting exactly what you need in the exact location. And that's the fast workflow for reordering, splitting, and merging PDF pages in UPDF. The reason this is quick is because it's built around the thumbnail page view. You're not guessing, you're not doing 10 exports, you're basically just arranging pages visually. If you want to try UPDF for yourself, click the link in the description. That's the easiest way to get the official download. If this video helped, hit like, and if you want more quick software workflows like this, subscribe to Review Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.